In the past, we've always gone and had a look, changed diseases, diagnosed diseases. Now, what we can do is predict and prevent what's happening.
Wireless technology that's been developed predominantly for industrial applications, and really that has enabled us to bring to agriculture industrial IoT applications that are highly effective, efficient, and most importantly from a farmer's perspective, cost effective.
So the real benefits of our system are the wireless sensors. So before on a traditional farm you'd have 1 or 2 hardwired sensors. With this system you can have 20, 30, 40 sensors throughout the farm or shed themselves. So we can really better understand the environmental conditions throughout the system, throughout the shed, throughout the site. The dashboard can be logged in remotely from anywhere in the world. So this allows other professionals such as nutritionists, vets like myself to log into the system. Less footfall onto the farm is good for improving biosecurity. Have that good supply chain right the way through.
So it's a big game changer for us that we're able to get data from farms in real time, and as vets across all the species within the business, we can start to look at what's happening on farm without having to go and visit the farm on a regular basis. We can start to look at water intakes, we can start to look at light, CO2 levels, we can start to look at performance of animals and welfare perspectives from this information in real time, in the office or in the car, on the computer or on a mobile phone, and it gives us reactive change.
The dashboard allows us to start to use the data that we've collected, so we can start to compare from site to site, from crop to crop, from herd to herd, and really understand some broad aspects and some minute aspects as well. Our system allows for better environmental parameter monitoring, which helps to improve the animal's welfare and health, which helps to reduce disease and aids antibiotic reduction.
So I think the thing about all of that data is that it's been there for forever, but we haven't been able to interpret it. It's a little bit like watching a game of sport but not knowing what the score is. As we're giving the farmers that scoreboard, we're letting them understand the heat maps across all of their sheds under a single pane of glass, so you can tell that this one has a cold spot or that one has a hot spot, which then helps you to understand the right things to do to change that. Taking all of that data, you can translate it into dashboards, so you can start to analyse things like how much water are we consuming, why is one house performing slightly better over another. We can see all of that comparison side by side, which again helps us to make better decisions in real time. But talking about the data coming from thousands of sheds, hundreds of thousands of sensors, which can really then give us a model to optimise growth in crop cycles right across the board.
So the system we've developed is modular and scalable, secure, end-to-end.
The Prognostix solution allows us to visually understand the patterns and trends that are going on that farm and how we can use those to predict health and prevent